this is a beautifully designed apartment, a 4 BHK apartment. The configuration of this apartment is 20 to 51 square feet. Once you enter this apartment, you will see a foyer space, and just next to it you have your guest room. But before I will take you to the guest room, I want to showcase you the living and the dining area. So this is a living and the dining area. It's beautifully designed, it's white, bright, and the most best part about this project is that there is a lot of natural lighting which a lot of people demand these days. So here you can have your sofas arranged, and on the other side you can have your dining table arranged. If you look properly, you will see that there is also a lot of space for for your tables and chairs, and for even having tables that can store your material. So this space can be converted into a bar, or this can be converted into a small bookshelf depending upon your choices. It connects you towards the balcony. So this living room gives you a beautiful view of the blues and the greens, which is really important for the ecosystem, so it makes you feel good also. Let me take you now towards the guest room first. So this is the guest room. The wooden flooring, the almirah, which is from IKEA, and the fan, the AC comes within the apartment itself when you take the possession. It's a beautifully designed room which connects you with the attached washroom. So this washroom has basic facilities, your vanity, then toilet seat and the shower area. Then there is also a little space where you can keep your utility stuff like your shower gel, face wash, and even your makeup. There's also a little storage space for you. Again, there's a lot of natural lighting. It's not a balcony on the other hand, but it's like a huge window, like a French window, a door-sized window. So that gives you a lot of natural lighting. In the foyer space, you also have a little storage area where you can store your important stuff. Now we'll take you towards the kitchen. So this is a closed kitchen, but a very modular one. It comes with the fridge, it comes with the microwave which is attached and beautifully designed. It comes with a lot of storage space, and there is shelf on both the side, the hob and the chimney, and then there are two sinks, well planned I would say, and you will get all of these things when you take the possession. This is the utility balcony. Here you can wash your utensils, or you can even wash your clothes depending on your preferences. Now let's go to the other room. So this is one of the rooms that can be utilized by your parents or your elderly people in the house. So this room also connects you towards the beautifully designed balcony that gives you a very nice view. And there's a lot of fresh air, natural lighting coming inside the apartment. So that's the best part. Then it has design your apartment. This is just a sample apartment. However, you get the wardrobes and the ACs and the fans. So these are the IKEA wardrobes. This comes the master bedroom, the biggest room of the apartment. So it comes with a wooden flooring. In fact, all the bedrooms comes with the wooden flooring and the IKEA almirah. So this is a big enough room where you can have your sitting arrangements, you can have your TV placed on the other hand, and then it comes with the attached balcony. Beautifully designed balcony where you can have your sitting arrangements, and then there's a lot of natural lighting. In every room there's a lot of natural lighting. Moving on to the attached washroom. So this is the master bedroom washroom, which comes with the toilet seat, vanity, and a separate shower area. It's a little bigger than the other washroom. Now we have a powder room or a washroom that can be utilized by your guest or anybody who is sitting in the living area. Now this is also a very big washroom that can be utilized by your guest, coming with the vanity, the toilet seat and the shower area with the storage space. So that is there in all the washrooms, which is the great part. And even the kids can, utilize this washroom since there was no attached washroom in the kids' room. So this is for them as well. So this was the complete tour of the apartment. I hope you like it, and if you really do, then you can contact us.